information, the traffic is climbing 5,500 feet.
Roger, Falcon 5 Echo, information copied.
And estimated time for the FIR boundary will be 46 for Delta Charlie Fox Delta.
Delta Fox Delta Roma Roger, report approaching the FIR boundary, then will be Malta 128-155.
Wilco and 128-155 after that, thank you, Delta Charlie Fox Delta. Okay, so we have one aircraft basically below us, and he's at an altitude of 3,500 feet. We will maintain for separation, of course, 5,500 feet. And now we proceed to the FIR boundary, and then shortly Malta will be in sight, and we will start the descent for runway 23. So stay tuned for that. Alright, now we are approaching Lua radar. I'm gonna contact them now. Lua radar, good evening, Delta Charlie Foxtrot Delta.
Delta Fox Delta, Lua radar contact. Descent towards you 3,000 feet, QNH 1017.
Descent 3,000 feet, QNH 1017, Delta Charlie Foxtrot Delta.
Delta Fox Delta, clear to enter the control zone by the GOZO VFR arrival. Expect runway 23, descent towards you 3,000 feet, QNH 1017.
Cleared enter control zone by the GOZO VFR arrival, runway 23, descent 3,000 feet, QNH 1017, Delta Charlie Foxtrot Delta.
Tomjet 20 Hotel, contact Malta radar 130.975.
Okay, so now we are clear to enter the control zone as well. At an altitude of 3,000 feet for the GOZO VFR arrival route, runway 23, which is the standard arrival route as expected. So, yeah, we started descent already into Malta. It's very dusty air, so you can't see the island yet, but very soon we will see the island of Gozo, and then we can fly via the east coast back into Malta. So very nice, definitely in the evening we can fly over Paletta, St. Julian's, will look very, very nice.
Yes.
We'll be entering the CTR very soon. So then most likely you'll hand us over to tower.
Alright, 17, let me go, Felipe Sabisales, 13.
We are already clear to enter the control zone via the VFR arrival route, so that's not a problem.
160 till 4. 108, 160 till 4, run out 17, let me go.
And Delta Charlie Fox Delta is entering the control zone.
Station calling?
Delta Charlie Fox Delta entering the control zone.
Delta Fox Delta, Roger, continue VFR with tower 135.105, good day.
VFR with tower 135.105, thank you, good day, Delta Charlie Fox Delta.
K5 Echo, proceed.
Okay. Loa tower, good evening, Delta Charlie Fox Delta.
Delta Charlie Fox Delta, tower, good evening, continue VFR to Gozo, altitude 1,000 feet or below, QNH 1017.
Continue VFR at altitude 2,000 feet, QNH 1017, and confirm continue to Gozo, Delta Charlie Fox Delta.
China 17 Lima Golf, wind 130 degrees, 9 knots, runway 13, clear to that. Is 913, 117 Lima Golf. Delta affirm, proceed VFR to Gozo.
Proceed VFR to Gozo, Delta Charlie Fox Delta. And Delta Charlie Fox Delta is over at Gozo.
Delta Charlie Fox Delta will continue south via the west coast next report west point. Copy all present direction, traffic C1 proceeding land via the west coast to Gozo.
Traffic information copied, will continue via the west coast, and to confirm it will be runway 23.
Landing runway 05.
05 copied, thank you, Delta Charlie Fox Delta. So we actually did get a runway change, so instead of runway 23, runway 05 is now in use, so we continue via the west coast, which is also still very nice. I was hoping for the other one, to be honest, because with the cities at night it's a bit nicer, but even now via the coast is still very beautiful, can't complain.
Yes.
So we will prepare for an arrival into runway 05. There you have a nice view of the beaches. They are also enjoying the sunset for sure.
Yeah.
But I think ours is better.
Yeah, best spot to check out the sunset.
Yeah, definitely. And Delta Charlie Fox Delta over at West Point.
Delta Echo Charlie Fox Delta, Roger, next report Dingley.
Welcome, Delta Charlie Fox Delta. Okay, so now we can continue to Dingley. I have Dingley already in sight. In the meanwhile, I will do the pre-landing check, so check for braking pressure, undercarriage is fixed. Make sure I do final, which is probably in this case. Fuel pump is already on. Instruments, piece on the green. Cockpit check, make sure there's no big drop. We don't have a drop at all. Hatches harness is secure and landing lights already on as well.
0 knots, runway 13, clear to land after landing to vacate via Delta available.
Clear to land, runway 13 and
another
airplane.
left you, contract 141.
You can see the commercial traffic coming in very nicely.
Nice.
Proceed south via the west coast, Falcon 7 Golf.
Falcon 7 Golf, next support west point.
Next support west point, Falcon 7 Golf.
Delta Charlie Fox Delta, overhead Dingley Leader.
Holding Foxtrot, full ready for departure.
Ryanair 8 Quebec Echo, good evening. Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta, proceed to orbit on final approach runway 05.
Proceed to orbit on final approach runway 05, Delta Charlie Fox Delta. We also have the red lightning in the aircraft. Fun fact, we use red lights because the ice can easier adapt.
Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta join final runway 05.
Joining final 05, Delta Charlie Fox Delta. Okay. So we can already join the final.
Ryanair 8 Quebec Echo behind the landing 738, line up runway 13 at Foxtrot behind.
Behind the landing 738, line up runway 13 at Foxtrot behind Ryanair 8 Quebec Echo.
Okay, power back.
So nice to see this in the evening.
Yeah.
Qatar, hello, Ryanair 637 Yankee, full established LS 13, reducing speed 160 knots.
Ryanair 637 Yankee, good evening, contact pressure.
I'll do a takeoff flap landing.
Decreasing minimal road speed, Ryanair 637 Yankee.
So we have a bit of a higher speed.
Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta, wind 140 degrees, 5 knots, runway 05, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 05, Delta Charlie Fox Delta.
Contact 141,
okay.
contact ground 121.605, goodbye.
We have a landing speed of 65 knots.
05, contract 141.
Ryanair 8 Quebec Echo, traffic 5 miles to land, wind 130 degrees 08 knots, runway 13, clear to immediate takeoff.
Runway 13, clear to immediate takeoff, Ryanair 8 Quebec Echo.
Tower, Falcon 5 Echo, leaving, GOSO area.
Falcon 5 Echo Roger, proceed south via the west coast, next report west point.
West coast, next point, west point, Falcon 5 Echo.
Of wind here.
Yeah.
Uniform Hotel behind the landing, Ryanair 737, line up runway 13 at hotel behind.
Behind landing traffic, line up and wait,
Nice with the lights on.
13 behind please.
It is.
Behind Uniform Hotel.
Cool.
And a 637 Yankee, we are on A320.
Hey,
Yeah.
so smooth.
Thanks.
This is very cool.
Delta vacate left via Sierra, contact ground 121.605, goodbye.
Left on Sierra, ground 11605, thank you, good evening, Delta Fox Delta.
Ryanair 637 Yankee, after landing you will vacate via Delta, wind 130 degrees 08 knots, runway 13, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 13, and after landing vacating to the left via Delta, Ryanair 637 Yankee. Tower, Falcon 7 Golf, west point.
Falcon 7 Golf, Roger, continue south and report approaching runway 05.
Continue south, next report approaching runway 05.
Wow, look at that airplane,
nice,
it's cool.
Okay, back to ground. Ground, good evening, Delta Charlie Fox Delta, vacated Sierra, runway 05.
Echo Charlie Fox Delta, ground, good evening, taxi April 3 via Lima November.
April 3 via Lima November, Delta Fox Delta. Okay, after landing checklists.
Wow, super cool.
Flaps up, electric fuel pumps off, landing lights off, transponder standby, radios are set, trimmer is back to neutral. After the landing checklist completed.
Yay!
So that's it. Nice evening flight, Malta to Malta via Sicily. Yeah, we were mainly flying over the sea as well. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Because there will be many more nice flights. This one is also definitely one to remember for sure with the views.
Stand by for uniform and Victor, Ryanair 637 Yankee. Contra 14, just to confirm, stand 31.
Confirm, sir, stand 31.
Stand 31, thank you very much.
There's the other one, also just landed. Oh yeah, 6 Alpha.
Yeah. Sky is beautiful with those colors. Oh,
It
there's
is.
another one landing.
And Delta, Echo Charlie Focus Delta, shut it down. Thank you, have a nice evening.
Have a nice evening.
Okay, parking brake set, shutdown checklist. Parking brake set, throttle idle, report shutting down. Avionics off.
And all switches.
Yay! Ah! Thanks, Pops.
You're welcome. See you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.
Yes.